Hello, this is Eric at the Prince George Ford Pre-Owned Supercentre, and we're taking a look at the 2018 Ford Focus in an SE trim and powered by a 2-liter engine, providing you with excellent fuel efficiency for getting around town. It's a compact vehicle, so you're going to be able to go everywhere with it. But let's take a look inside. So first, looking at the trunk, which is a bit more spacious considering this is the hatchback model, and you have a cargo cover so no one can look in at your groceries or purchases, and can always be expanded by folding down the rear seats. And now looking in the back seat, where you have seating for 3 comfortably with plenty of little storage cubbies around there on the side, in the middle, in the doors. And then you do also have fitted rubber floor mats throughout the vehicle. And now looking in the front, where you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the vehicle with it running, you can see it's sitting at 39,514 kilometers. Moving down to the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your hands-free phone and radio controls, and on the left you have your cruise controls as well as your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through information set for your trip 1 and 2 that include digital speedometer, trip odometer, fuel economy for said trip, distance to empty, and trip timer. And then you can also go down to your information, where it will give you your system checks, that being low wiper fluid right now, and then your MyKey status and information. And then you can also go to your settings and mess around with some other features around your vehicle and your screen setup in general. Then moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, I believe also Bluetooth and USB, so you do have some options there for whatever you want to listen to, however you want to listen to it. But then shifting into reverse, you do also have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going, hopefully avoid hitting anything with dynamic hitch view, so you can zoom in, but it is there. Moving down from that, you have your media controls and your hazards here, and then you have your climate controls with heated front seats with 3 levels each, so you can stay cozy in the colder months. And then down below you have a cubby with a USB here, so you can plug something into power charge. Then you have a 12 volt here, same situation, and a heated steering wheel, so you can keep your fingers warm in the colder months. Then you have your main shifter with select shift, so you have paddle shifters on the steering wheel, so you can manually shift through your gears. And then you have 2 cup holders, your parking brake, and then your center compartment / armrest here, which is relatively spacious and has another USB and 12 volt power outlet inside, so you can plug something in from there. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.